In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get at Proton Mail Alias in Proton Mail. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Proton Mail account. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right for the Settings toggle icon. Click that to open the Quick Settings panel. From there, choose All Settings to switch from the mini panel to the full settings page, which gives you access to everything you need for managing identities and addresses. On the left-hand side, select Identity and Addresses. This is where Proton Mail lets you manage the email identities tied to your account. To create your alias, click Add Proton Address. An alias here is simply an additional Proton address that delivers into your existing mailbox, which is great for organizing newsletters, separating personal and business communication, or protecting your main address. Keep in mind that the number of addresses you can create depends on your plan. In the address field, type the handle you want before the @ Aim for something short, memorable, and relevant to how you'll use it. If there's a domain dropdown, choose the @protonmail.com option to match what you want. If the address is already taken, try a simple variation, add a short word, a number, or adjust the wording slightly until it's available. Next, fill in the display name. This is the sender name people see in their inbox when you email from this alias. Use something professional or descriptive, and remember you can update it later if your needs change. When you're happy with your selections, click Save Address. Proton Mail will add the alias to your list of identities. From now on, when you compose a message, you can select this new address in the From field to send mail as that alias, while still receiving replies in the same inbox. That's it. You've created an @Proton Mail alias inside Proton Mail, giving you more control over how you manage and present your emails without creating a separate account.